Big platform, bigger inspiration and an even bigger moments. A journey of 10 match days and 18 games ends today. It's time for the big final. Two of India's biggest superstars, World Cup winners, leaders and mentors. Irfan Pathan's Mumbai Marines against Suresh Raina's Southern Spartans.
It's toss time and it's for the big one. It's the final of the Ease My Trip Big Cricket League. It's Mumbai Marines versus the Southern Spartans, battling it out for this wonderful trophy. The two captains, Suresh Raina, Irfan Pathan. On his right, I've got the match referee, Mr. Sulil Chaturvedi. Toss representatives today, Mr. Jignesh Patil, head of the BJP Youth Wing, Gujarat. Good evening, sir. Welcome. And of course, the legendary Dilip Vansakar in the house, commissioner, also of the Big Cricket League. On his right, we've got Mr. Anil Patil, secretary from the Gujarat Cricket Association. Good evening, sir. And on his right, Mr. Rudra Pratap Singh, always looking dashing. He's the president of the BCL. And the visionary, Mr. Puneet Singh, the chief patron of the BCL. I believe, Sunil sir, you got the coin. Suresh, you got to give it a flip.
Heads.
Heads is the call.
It's heads. You win.
Heads. Irfan winning the toss. What do you plan to do?
Are we going to bowl first?
So that's the news from the center. The Mumbai Marines winning the toss and they'll be looking to bowl first.
And of course, the Marines winning a vital toss and opting to bowl first. This is how they line up here. Big power, big fours, big sixes. That's the lineup for the Spartans. Solomon Mire, Phil Mustard, Suresh Raina, Faiz Fazal, Aman Khan Shrestha. They bat deep until number 8 and 9. Karthik Arke getting a first game today. Marines, they bowl very well. They bat very well. It's a side that packs a punch, led by Irfan Pathan, Manpreet Goni, Jaisal Karia, their MVP, Mihir Agarwal, their inform opener. But then there is Ankit Stephen, Shivam Kumar, Malinda Pushpa Kumara. It's a team, it's a lineup that talks about form.
इन दोनों की वो परफॉर्मेंस देखी है या जिन्होंने जेनजी वाले बच्चों ने भी इनको आईपीएल में खेलते देखा है, कौन है जो इन दोनों का फैन नहीं है? कौन है जो आज भी इरफान पठान और सुरेश रैना को खेलते नहीं देखना चाहता? बताओ कौन है?
As the two umpires are ready to walk on, pyrotechniques galore, fireworks are promised. It's the big final, the big stage. Hoping for some big moments in easemytrip.com Big Cricket League final. Irfan Pathan leading the Mumbai Marines onto the field. World Cup winner, leader, mentor, and an inspiration for millions and millions of cricket fans.
अब तक 56 जर्सी पहने हुए इरफान पठान आखिरी बार इस ट्रॉफी को उठाने के जज्बात लेकर पहले आपने बॉलिंग करने का फैसला किया है और देखिए तो सही बॉलिंग करेंगे किनको? फिल मस्टर्ड को। और वो जो ट्रॉफी के करीब से उसकी परिक्रमा करके अंदर आए हैं सोलोमन मीरे।
We are almost ready to play here. The big final is here. First ball coming up. And a fantastic start by Shivam Kumar. Although they run a very quick single to get off the mark. Takes on the infield, takes the sky route. Couple of bounces and the first boundary has come up for Solomon Mire, who uses his form, uses his technique and attacks the bowler. Width over the field and a 4. Shivam Kumar is back and he's bowling! Gets the wicket that they wanted. Solomon Mire is gone and cheaply Shivam Kumar has the first wicket of the big final.
देखिए जीवन में किसी की खिल्ली नहीं उड़ानी चाहिए, लेकिन बल्लेबाज की गिल्ली अगर उड़ाते हैं तो आप कमाल हैं शिवम। मीरे वापस 7 पर, 12 पर 1 स्पार्टन्स।
Takes his front foot out and the swing of Suresh Raina.
पहला बॉल लगा था बाउंसर, अब ये लगा होगा शिवम को। जितनी तेज डाली थी उससे दुगनी गति से बॉल जाके दर्शकों के बीच में। चलिए एक कदम आगे चलूंगा मैं, एक कदम आगे चलूंगा मैं फिल मस्टर्ड कह रहे जैसल कारिया को। कदमों का इस्तेमाल किया और लीजिए
से 6 रनों के लिए।
The day in office looked like for that man? Looks like this. So, it's incredible how the southern Spartans have had their batters.
और गेंद को ड्राइव किया है, खिलाड़ी वहां पर मौजूद जरूर हैं। और एक बार फिर बाउंड्री मिली है मस्टर्ड के। इस तरीके से 50 रन पूरे हो गए हैं। फिल मस्टर्ड, शानदार बल्लेबाजी का प्रदर्शन किया है आपने, और जब टीम को जरूरत थी।
And Phil Mustard, Colin Phil, the fire Mustard, because he sets fire. Phil Mustard this time will go flat, off for a boundary. That's how he'll end the over. The 114 for 1. And Suresh Raina will run that down and will get his 50 in style. Suresh Raina, Chinnathala will stamp his authority with another incredible 50. Come at the hour, come at the man. Suresh Raina it is.
It's very overwhelming, and thanks to the people of the Surat, I mean the way they've responded to it. It looks like some India-Pakistan match, and trust me, it is giving.
पुनीत भाई ये आखिरी बॉल है, शिप किया, अद्भुत कैच। चलिए ऊपर चलते हैं कॉम्स के पास।
But what an incredible catch. You have a look at that. Tried to play it. Sensational. So Suresh Raina goes for 51. It's 131 for 2. Comes down the track, goes high. Invited that shot, but has gone nowhere. What a catch. And incredible. Caught and bowled.
इरफान पठान जानते थे, लाया सीधे गेंद ऊपर गई। मुश्किल कैच हो सकता था, कीपर को कोई चांस था नहीं। मनन शर्मा ने जज किया और बचा लिया खुद को, कैच ले लिया और बड़ी विकेट। फिल मस्टर्ड 78 रन बनाकर पेविलियन में वापस।
Fazal will go big this time. Will be clearing the pressure along with the boundary as well. A big 6.
और ये आखिरी गेंद थी पिछले ओवर की। रन्स नहीं आए थे, सिर्फ सिंगल्स आए थे। फैज फजल इनके पास भी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है, जानते थे कि एक चौका या एक बड़ा शॉट ओवर में अगर आ जाए, हैंडर 3 फील्डर लेग साइड पर है कि वही आर्क बन जाता है। कितने भी फील्डर लगाओ, अगर ऐसी गेंद होगी और बैठक अगर लगाएंगे फैज फजल, तो 3 फील्डर्स रखे भी कोई फायदा नहीं होगा।
Abhimanyu with the straight down. A 6 comes in.
फिर भी सीधे खेल लिया था, सिर्फ शॉट, इतनी भी शॉट नहीं थी, वो आगे या पीछे। Takes it on the full, smashes it down. This time there'll be no stopping it. The boundary they wanted this over has come. But Mithun goes offside. Big shot. That should clear the rope, has it?
It should be 7 runs at least, क्योंकि रोप से भी 6 फीट अंदर जाके गेंद गिरी है। बल्ला घूमा था अंत में, परफेक्ट टाइमिंग नहीं थी, मिथुन को मालूम है, पर परफेक्ट टाइमिंग को कॉम्पनसेट किया तगड़ी ताकत ने। और इस छक्के के लिए चेकिंग की जरूरत नहीं थी। क्रॉस चेकिंग में उल्टा मार्क्स बढ़ने चाहिए थे, रीचेकिंग में 2 नंबर एक्स्ट्रा मिलने चाहिए थे।
Oh, wild swing this time, not working. They're running. Can there be a run out here? And yes, Mithun not in the frame.
पिछली वाइड से अगर आपको निराशा थी, तो पहले तो आपने मिथुन को बीट किया और उसके बाद उनको रन आउट भी किया। उन्होंने भी यू टर्न ले लिया, वो पूरा दौड़े ही नहीं, वो कह रहे मैं दौड़ूंगा ही नहीं, आपने रन आउट कर दिया, मैं नहीं खेलता। अच्छा काम किया। मिथुन वापस 25 पर, 194 पर 4।
Fuller smacks it down the ground. There'll be no stopping that one. That went like a bullet to the rope. And that's skied. Fielder underneath it. And he's pouched it. Manpreet Kohli picking the wicket on the last ball of his spell. Went high up and didn't take too much distance. In the end, easily pouched by Chamara Silva. Kohli celebrates the end of his spell with a second wicket. It's Faiz Fazil gone for 30 of 19. It's 200 for 5. And it was in his arm. Smashed. And that's 6 first ball. Straight down the ground just below the commentary box. Aman Khan starts this over in style.
डेथ ओवर अपने आप में एक अलग चुनौती होती है. यॉर्कर करने गए थे. मैच की पहली गेंद यॉर्कर डाली थी बड़ी अच्छी. ये हो गई ओवर पिच, वो भी बैट के बिल्कुल नीचे, आई बाउंड्री के पीछे.
Up in the air, and this will be taken. Irfan Pathan pouches it. Shivam Kumar with the wicket.
कल धक्के खाने के बाद आती है ना कि बादाम खाने के बाद. पहली गेंद पे 6 रन का धक्का खाया, उसके बाद अगली 5 गेंदों में 3 रन देके 1 विकेट ले लिए और आउट कर दिया श्रेष्ठ को गोल्डन डक पे. 209 पे 6.
Last ball. Away from the batter, they're running, and they will be satisfied with a bye. Yes, it's been single of the last ball. Forget the 6. It's been fabulous over otherwise. 10 of the last over, and they have finished at 210 for 6, and that's the target. The Mumbai Marines need 211 runs from 20 overs to win the inaugural EaseMyTrip.com Big Cricket League.
ये दोनों अंपायर उमेश और अमरदीप पठानिया ग्राउंड पर जा रहे हैं. पहले बल्लेबाजी करते हुए सदर्न स्पार्टन ने 210 रन बनाए हैं. सलामी बल्लेबाज धीरे धीरे जाते हुए. देखते हैं कि आज किस तरीके से आगाज होता है मुंबई मरीन्स की पारी का. पहली अच्छी गैदरिंग वहां पर श्रेष्ठ की.
Well, he just got that up, hasn't got the distance, and will be the first wicket. The Southern Spartans have got a breakthrough. Not something Mihir, of course, would have wanted. Miscalculated the bounce.
किस तरीके से हल्के से कलाई के सहारे गेंद को टर्न करना चाहते थे स्क्वायर लेग क्षेत्र में. संभवतः थोड़ा जल्दी खेल गए. बल्ले का बाहरी किनारा लगा और गेंद गई हवा में. तो एक महत्वपूर्ण विकेट गिरता हुआ मुंबई मरीन्स का. मिहिर अग्रवाल ने बनाए 2 रन.
Gets it this time, Jay Sarkaria starts off with the boundary. You know the man when it starts going for a 4, the name is Jay Sarkaria.
एक बार फिर गेंद को ड्राइव किया और एक और 4 रन मिलेंगे. जी हां,
Plays it down, that's another lovely shot, cracking for a 4. He plays it so easily, effortless.
चौथे ओवर की अंतिम गेंद और इस बार पुष्प कुमारा ने गेंद को उछाल दिया है साइड स्क्रीन की ओर 6 रनों के लिए.
Clean ball. Pushpa Kumara going for the big hike. Over long on, but it's Sakuja. The name Sakuja.
सकुजा ने गेंद को सीधा रखा ताकि अगर वो फिर से कोशिश करें तो सीधा स्टंप्स पर जाए और चूके नहीं. पुष्प कुमारा जाते हुए 13 रन बनाकर 35 पर 2.
35 for 2. In comes Manan Sharma. What a way to get off the mark. Perfectly stayed. Goes for it again. This time over long on. Gets some elevation as well. Perfect use of the bottom hand. If you need a start, it has to be like what Manan has just given.
एक बार फिर से उस बॉटम हैंड का कमाल का इस्तेमाल और इस बार ज्यादा सीध और ज्यादा पावर. एरियल रूट और छक्का.
Cuts it well, and it stays cut. 4 runs.
बात है कंसिस्टेंसी की, लेकिन यहाँ पर छोटी गेंद रही. मौका दिया जेसन कारिया को अपने हाथ खोलने का और उन्होंने मौका छोड़ा नहीं.
Change in pace again. Oh, the fielder was changed. Jason Karia read it very well, plays it fine, sweeps it fine. Back-to-back boundaries. Nicely connected. Beautifully connected. He's getting those boundaries once again. Muscle, power. You've seen a lot of bowling actions. Oh! Boundary again. Knows exactly where the fielders are. The slow one goes wrong. One too many. Karthik. Jaisal Karia cuts that through. Oh, will run for a boundary. And Jaisal Karia will get his 50 with that incredible 4.
मुबारक Jaisal Karia.
It's been unstoppable. And that's gone over the fielder. Oh, that'll be an attempt, but we'll run for the boundary. Jaisal Karia is on a roll.
Very well bowled. Jaisal Karia, how punishing will that be? Once again, flat six. Jaisal Karia enjoying batting here at the Surat track. He's already got 200s to his name.
It's absolutely brilliant. It's awesome, I would say. And the important fact here is that all those players who couldn't play first-class matches, and they can play with the international players.
That's fantastic, and the type of game we're having as well. Once can't fault them, another boundary.
With the kind of response we're seeing and the kind of batting display that we're seeing, it's been incredible. As Manan,
With what we're seeing here on the television, you're correct. We're going to have a lot of people queuing up with a pack house today.
Sakib Sharma, who's really take the world on storm, just batting like Jaisal Karia has been doing, gets another boundary.
You know, some of the youngsters about whom we have not heard, that I think they have done extremely well in this tournament, and I'm sure some of the IPL spotters, I think, would be they are watching these matches.
Turn the game on its head. The rare miss was Jaisal Karia tonight and right through the tournament has attempted to go big and he's missed. Goes back to the dugout for 75. It's 128 for 3.
That's a fantastic shot, and it's gone again to the boundary.
Well, all of them, I would say. It's not only one or two. But the guy who's sitting here next to me, was a great bowler.
After the World Cup between India and Pakistan.
Manan Sharma का बल्ला घूमा है और ये परफेक्ट स्विंग डाउन कॉर्नर के ऊपर से और 50 रन पूरे मनन शर्मा के कमतवान. Yes, incredible innings. And now comes handy with the bat. Credible 50 with that stunning 6. And that's big. And this is another one. Another 6 to take Mumbai Marines closer to the trophy. सब खड़े हो गए. मनन शर्मा उम्मीद थी जैसल कारिया से, इरफान पठान से. और ऑफसाइड पे गेंद डाली है. ऑफसाइड पे गेंद डाली है. मिड ऑफ पे फील्डर, सिर्फ एक ही फील्डर था ऑफसाइड पे. वो स्वीप बगावत का फील्डर था. It's a slow, rather attempted for a full toss. Will be running for a boundary. And the runs are coming in left, right, center. That one again, back to the land, and that'll be a boundary. The runs are coming like rings here. Manan, you beauty, you superhero. Smart. Is it sailing? It sails over. The big shot is here. Manan Sharma with a timely 6.
इस ओवर में हो सकता है मैच समेट दें. मनन मिथुन ने अपना कोटा पूरा कर लिया है. 19वें ओवर की पहली गेंद पे 6 लगाकर वो पिछले ओवर की कमी को पूरा किया है मनन शर्मा ने. 17 चाहिए 11 में से.
What a hit! What a hit!
20वें ओवर की नौबत अब नहीं आनी चाहिए.
It's all about timing. It's all about power.
उड़ गई है, ट्रॉफी आ गई है। मुंबई इंडियंस बिग क्रिकेट लीग के पहले चैंपियन बने हैं। क्या धमाकेदार प्रदर्शन इस पूरी लीग में किया।
Manan Sharma with the celebration. Irfan Pathan with the finish. The duo have done it. Mumbai Marines are the champions of PCL 2024. Irfan Pathan. Remember the name? The unique Pathan. Look at the jubilation. Champions. And that's the match summary of the big final. The Spartans, thanks to Phil Mustard and Suresh Raina, got 210 for 6. In the end, though, it wasn't enough. The Marines getting there at 19.1 overs. Manan Sharma with 89 not out. Jaisul Karia with a half century as well. Irfan Pathan with a cameo. The Marines won by 7 wickets.
The Mumbai Marines skipper, Irfan Pathan, leading his team to victory. The victorious, the Mumbai Marines of the first edition of the big cricket league season. And if you can go now and celebrate this moment with the rest of his team who are eagerly waiting.
It's time for Mumbai Marines to celebrate. Champions! The Big Cricket League has given them the platform, the inspiration and the moments, as Irfan Pathan said, never to forget, always to celebrate and cheer and remember. Manpreet Goni, Manan Sharma, Jaisul Karia, Shivam Kumar, the list goes on and on. The champions stand tall. Aspiration, opportunity, experience. Irfan Pathan as leader, mentor, captain. Mumbai Marines are the champions of the inaugural Big Cricket League season 2024.